The 2025 Land Rover arrives as a true embodiment of British engineering excellence, blending legendary off-road capabilities with modern luxury, advanced technology, and refined design. This new model represents a balance between rugged performance and sophisticated elegance, making it a top contender for those seeking a premium SUV that can handle any environment without compromising on comfort or style. Land Rover's designers and engineers have taken great care to ensure that the 2025 version honors the brand's heritage while embracing future-forward innovations. At first glance, the exterior design captures attention with its bold stance, muscular lines, and signature LED lighting. The grille has been subtly redesigned to improve airflow and give the SUV a more commanding presence on the road. Aerodynamic enhancements contribute not only to the sleek aesthetic but also to improved efficiency and stability at higher speeds. The sculpted bodywork, flush door handles, and premium paint finishes ensure the 2025 Land Rover stands out whether navigating urban streets or venturing into remote landscapes. Inside, the cabin reflects Land Rover's commitment to craftsmanship and comfort. Premium materials such as soft touch leathers, sustainable wood veneers, and brushed metal accents create an upscale atmosphere. The spacious interior offers generous legroom for all passengers, while the panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of openness. The seats are ergonomically designed with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, making long journeys exceptionally comfortable. The driver's cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, a high-resolution infotainment screen, and intuitive touch controls for a seamless user experience. Technologically, the 2025 Land Rover is equipped with the latest in connectivity and safety features. The advanced infotainment system supports over-the-air updates, ensuring drivers always have access to the newest features. Smartphone integration, wireless charging, and premium sound systems deliver a modern, convenient driving environment. Safety is bolstered by adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and automated emergency braking. Off-road technology remains a highlight, with terrain response to adapting the vehicle's settings for mud, sand, snow, or rock crawling with ease. Under the hood, the 2025 Land Rover offers a range of powertrains to suit diverse driving preferences. Buyers can choose from refined petrol and diesel options, as well as a cutting-edge plug-in hybrid variant for those seeking efficiency without sacrificing performance. The hybrid system provides silent, emissions-free driving in electric mode and combines with the combustion engine for extended range and powerful acceleration. The legendary all-wheel drive system, paired with adaptive air suspension, ensures exceptional ride comfort and the ability to tackle challenging terrains with confidence. Fuel efficiency improvements and reduced emissions highlight Land Rover's commitment to sustainability. Recycled materials and eco-friendly manufacturing practices further reinforce the brand's dedication to a greener future without losing its adventurous spirit. The 2025 Land Rover appeals to a broad spectrum of drivers, from outdoor enthusiasts who demand off-road prowess to urban professionals seeking a refined luxury SUV. It is a vehicle designed to perform effortlessly in the city, on the highway, and far beyond the beaten path. With its combination of advanced engineering, timeless style, and unmatched versatility, the 2025 Land Rover stands as a remarkable evolution of an automotive icon. It proves that in the modern era, luxury and rugged capability can coexist in perfect harmony.